Good morning, good morning, good morning. Here we go again. It's just a very quick ride, it's a bit of a test. I've got a cheap Chinese GoPro copy strapped to the back of the bike. I just want to test the quality of it, see if it's any good, see if it's worth using, see if I should use it as a doorstop. It does only do 720p, but it was $19.99. I thought it's worth a shout. I can stick it to the back rather than losing a GoPro Sessions 5 like I did last time. So I'm going to take it on a little road called the Toll Road. We've spoken about it before, but I've got to be quick, and I'll show you why. Because up there looks absolutely stunning, but behind us we've got a storm coming in. So we're going to use the toll road. There's a reason for that, because it's got a lot of trees, a lot of light changes, which means it really tests the capability. I'm not going easy on it. What a week we've had weather-wise. Glorious, blazing hot, 23 degree sunshine one moment, and rivers running down the hill outside my house from the torrential rain the next. But it's just take every opportunity. I booked a few days off work. Looking at the long range weather forecast, it was supposed to be hot and sunny for 3, 4, 5 days. Unfortunately, that didn't quite pan out the way I was hoping. I wanted to do a bit of mileage. As it is, I'm doing a bit of avoidance. But even a short ride's better than no ride, and I'm out. So I'd just like to say, hopefully by the time I post this video, I'll be upwards near, on or around 100 subscribers. I'm currently on 94, which is incredible. I'd just like to say thank you to each and every one of you, because I'm the first to admit that the videos I put out are dog shit and just the ramblings of a madman who talks to himself most of the time. I just happen to record it when I'm on a bike. But thank you, appreciate it, you're awesome. Had a spot of sound interference a few days back when I did a video. Don't know what caused it. Could be my beard rubbing on the microphone, I don't know, but I've had a look into it. The microphone's still positioned in the same place. Doesn't seem to be any problem with it. Just might have to shave my beard off. No drama. So for anyone who's interested, a little bit of news regarding Birnbeck Pier, which I regularly mention on my vlogs, that one there. It's looks like it could be saved, be restored, made safe, and a position where people can actually use it again. I mean, that would be pretty awesome. It's not so much I've got a fixation with it, I just think it's such a waste of a stunning, iconic building in this area. Because in case you didn't know, it is actually the only landmass connected to the mainland by a pier. How cool is that? So yeah, the hope is it's going to get saved, restored. That'd be absolutely brilliant for the economy in the area. Just brilliant to get it back on track. Right, well, while Wales is bathing in glorious sunshine, the West Country is about to suffer a monsoon. From that direction. So I'm gonna turn tail, go back on the same road, go up Monk's Hill, and get back in the garage where it's nice and safe and dry, and water and salt and grit and crap don't hurt my Ducati. Just to let you know, it's still in the planning, but I'm going to do a Halloween special around this area, because there's quite a bit of history with regards to Monk's Step, Monk's Hill, the Priory, and there's a few little stories, so I'm going to ride around the area and explain a few on Halloween. So just coming up on the right hand side now, we're going to turn up Monk's Hill, and I'll just slow down so you can see Monk's Steps, and I will explain to you in the near future the legend around Monk's Steps and why they're called Monk's Steps. Up there are Monk's Steps, and that's going to be part of the Halloween special, which I will obviously pre-record a few days before to be able to release it on Halloween. I'm certainly not competent enough to go live just yet. Nothing coming in the mirror, we're all clear. Right, well, I hope that's given me enough footage and enough information to test out the dog shit camera that was 1999 all the way from China. If I check it now and it's got better photographic and video quality than my GoPro, I'll be very, very, I was going to say disappointed. I'll be overjoyed. I'll buy another 10 of them. I can afford to strap them everywhere if they fall off. Okay, I didn't see his indicator because he hasn't actually got one. Right, guys, take care. Look after yourselves, and I'll catch you on the flip side.